And we're off to yet another late night adventure. It seems like we're back to where things only happen at night. So, yeah. Yay. I'm meeting Shane out in Clarksville for a tanker, loaded tanker that had sank in the ground, landing gear sank. Driver dropped the trailer earlier today. He sat there for a little while, it never sank. Everything was fine and dandy, and then he leaves. He comes back a few hours later, and the trailer goes from this to this. So the entire front end sank all the way down to the Kingpin. So we're gonna go out, and I've already got pictures of the situation. I've already talked to the guy, got a game plan. So we're gonna go out, me and Shane are gonna park on either side of it. It's about 40,000 in the trailer, so it's more than I can do with just this truck by myself. So me and Shane are gonna go out there, run a couple flat straps underneath the tanker, pick the front of it up. He's gonna back up underneath it with his road tractor, and we're gonna get out of here. So it ought to be a fun one. All right, so we'll see you guys when we get on scene. All right, just like that, we're here on scene. So this is what we got. Looking at a hazmat tanker loaded.
Looking at it and looking at the weld and every single thing else, there's no difference in this weld right
sank down in the ground here. So this is, I want to point out that this is not a situation of driver error. This is a situation, we're on hard ground. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but this is a gravel packed parking area, and he's on hard ground. It's just so much weight in this thing. It's 40,000 pounds. He even stated that, you know, when he disconnected, he stayed underneath it for 30 minutes to an hour to make sure it wasn't going to sink, and it didn't sink at all. And then all of a sudden he leaves, comes back a few hours later, and this thing is down, and the, you know, ground gave away. So this is not a dumb situation. It's just a crap happens situation. So me and Shane are here. We're gonna get this thing lifted up and get him backed up underneath it, and he'll be good to go. But I guess he had to swap out tractors, so that's why he had to disconnect. Otherwise he would have just stayed connected. But other than that, we're gonna get rigged up here. I'll show you guys what we got, and then we'll go from there. Cool.
Getting out of this corner. And then if you come as a drone.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Fly it like a round. We had to change our rigging from 30-foot flat straps down to 20-foot endless loop straps. Ideally, we would have wanted to use flat straps in this situation as they spread more weight across the bottom of the tank. The endless loop straps did just what they needed to do, but using the flat straps ideally would have been better. We could not use them because our two trucks did not have enough boom, and when we boomed up, which we've cut that out, but when we boomed up, our winch lines were all the way up at our boom heads, so there's no movement for winching the unit up out of the holes it was in the ground. So we had to shorten our straps down 10 foot on each strap, and that gave us plenty of room to get the lift done. Run your driver in.
you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
When it goes in and purchases it, I feel like so go through and do that. Just make sure no damage to it. Go clean off some of that mud.
Phew. Well, there's the end of that one. So, trailer is People's Champ, looking awesome. Trailer is connected. It did take a little bit of damage to the landing gear, as to be expected. Bent that bar right there. But other than that, she's looking good, guys. So, appreciate you tuning into this one. Our rigging we used was two 20-foot endless loop straps with 17-ton shackle at the end of one and web shackles at the end of the others. Those blue straps are what we use almost all the time. 46,000 pounds or somewhere in that range in a basket. He only has 40,000 in this trailer, so all in all we were well within using two of those straps, well within our working load. So got it up. As always, rigging takes longer than anything. The job itself was 10 minutes. So we'll call that one a success. And thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button for me. Do me a favor. Help us grow the channel so we can keep pumping out great content. We can get more. We can get mics. That's our next push. We thought they were on order. Matt didn't order them. He's like, oh, I bought a drone. We don't need mics. Yeah, we need mics. So that's coming soon. So you guys can hear all of our banter back and forth. But thanks for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.